Hello children, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, playing with numbers. So in this chapter you are going to study factors. Do you know what are factors? You might have studied in 5th standard, right? Okay, we will see one example, then you will understand. Consider the number 6. You are going to find the factors of 6. So what you have to do is, you have to write 6 as, what is 6? 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 1 times 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Is there any other table in which 6 is coming? Multiplication table in which 6 is coming? No. Again, if you are saying, you can say that 3 into 2 is 6. But 3 into 2 and 2 into 3 both are 6. So, you can stop here. Okay. So, 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Now, so we should stop it here. Now, we can say that factors of 6 are, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So, we have the factors here. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Understood? What are factors? First, you have to write the number as product of two numbers. So, here all the possible products you have to write. That is 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. I told you it is coming in 3 table also as 3 into 2. But 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 both are same. Right. So, no need of again writing that. We can stop here. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, you have to see what are the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors. Clear? Okay. We will do one more example, then it will be easy for you. Okay. I am going to find the factors of 8. So, how will you write 8? Which all multiplication tables 8 is coming? We will see like that. So, 8 is one table. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. It will go on like that. 1 8 are 8. So, 1 into 8 is 8. Then 2 4s are 8. Is there any other table? Yes, 4 twos are also 8. But I told you that 2 4s are and 4 twos are. Both are same. So, we can stop it here. Okay, so we can stop it here. Now, what can you say? Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Clear? Factor. Easy only. Just write the number as a product of two numbers. All the possible methods you have to see. All the possible ways you have to see. Okay. Now comes the next one. 1 is a factor of every number. Some properties of factor. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Number of factors of a number are finite. Every factor is less than or equal to that number. We will see this in detail. 1 is a factor of every number. How is it? You just think. 6. I am writing 6 as 1 into 6. Is it correct? So, we can write 7. Another. So, what is a factor of 6? In the factors of 6, definitely 1 will come. Other numbers are there, but 1 is there. Factors of 7. Here also 7 is equal to 1 into 7. So, factor of 7 will have 1. See, 1009 I have written. Here also 1 is there, right? So, 1 is again a factor. So, whichever number you take, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Okay. Now comes the next one. Every number is a factor of itself. How is it? Same way, I told you 999. How can you write? You should write it as a product of two numbers. So, definitely you can write it like this. How can you write? 1 into 999. So, here you can see 1 is a factor that you saw in the other property. So, 999 is there. So, 999, 999. Any number you take, every number is a factor of itself. So, 999 is factor of 999. 45. How can you write 45? 1 into 45. So, what can you say? 45 is a factor of 45. So, every number is a factor of itself. Understood? Please understand the concept. Okay. Every factor is less than or equal to that number. How is it? Example. Factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. How did you get 1, 2 and 4? I told you, right? How to write 4 is equal to? How will you write? 4 is equal to 1 into 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So what are the factors? 1, 2. 2 is again coming. So only 1, 2 is enough. So 1, 2 and 4. Have the 3 factors here. So these are the 3 factors. So now tell me 1. Is it less than 4? Yes. So 1 is less than 4. So next factor 2. 2 is less than 4. 4 is equal to 4. So is less than or equal to. So these all are less than and this is equal to. Understood? So every factor is less than or equal to that number. Okay. So each of the factors of 4 is less than or equal to 4. Now comes the next one. Find the possible factors of. You have to do by yourself in your classwork. Find the possible factors of 45, 30 and 36. Know this, right? How will you start? Write all the possible ways. That is 45. How? Always start in the multiplication table of 1. That is 1 into 45. Always start like that. Then what can you write? 1, 2, 3. 2 table it won't go. So 3. 3 into 15. Then what will come? 5. 5 nines are 45. So it will go on like that, right? Now you have to write down the factors. Understood? Okay. Okay. Same way you have to do 30. Have to do 36. Okay. Now exercise 3.1 from your reader. Find the factor of following numbers. This is a question. First one we will do. The others you have to do by yourself. First one is 24. You are going to find the factor of 24. Factors of 24. So how can you write 24? 24 can be written as 1 into 24. If you don't know other tables also, first one you can write without any doubt. You can write as 1 into 24. Second, you have to search in 2 table. 2 12s are 24. Then you have to after 2, 3 table. 3 8s are 24. Then 4 table, 4 6 are 24. Then 5 table is not there. 6 table. 6 table, what is it? 6 4s are 24. But 6 4s are and 4 6 both are same. Then again everything is repeating in the upward direction. Okay. So this is how you have to do. Now what will you write? Now you can write down the factors. So I have to stop here. Now we are going to write the factors. What are the factors? First factor. What is the first factor here? It start always write in the increasing order. Okay, then no confusion will be there. So first factor is 1. Second one 2. Then 3. Then 4. Yes. Then 6. Then 8. 12. 24. Is there any other factor? No. Understood? Very easy, right? Okay. Multiple. Now we'll see multiple. This also you studied in your 5th standard. Anyway, we will recall what is it. I am writing 4 5s are 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Anyway, you can say. In this, what can you say about 4? 4 is a factor. 5 is also a factor. This 20 is called the multiple. Understood? You can say 20 as multiple of 4 or multiple of 5. So that is multiple. Understood? So 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 20 is called the multiple. Understood the difference? Okay. We will see one example. Multiples of 3. You are going to find the multiples of 3. So multiples means you just start from, you have to start from the first, that is 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4, that is 3 multiplication table you should know. So we'll write in an order starting from 1 2 3 4 6. So they have asked, they will be, sometimes they may ask 5 multiples, 6 multiples like that. That means if it is 5 multiples asked, you can stop it here. 6 multiples means what should you do? You have to write 6 3s are 18. Like this you have to continue. Okay. So this is called, this is how we are going to find multiples. So we say that multiples of 3 are, what are the multiples here? This side, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. These are the multiples. Will it stop here? No. It will go on like that, right? The list of multiples of 3 can be continued as 18, 21, 24. It will go on like that. It won't stop. Okay, so that is the multiples. Each of these multiples is greater than or equal to 3. In the factor case, what did you say? What did we say? Each of the factor is less than or equal to. But in multiple, it is greater than or equal to 3. Understood? Okay. Find 5 multiples of 4. How will you find 5 multiples of 4? 5 multiples of 4. Of 4 it is. So, we have to see the table of 4. Okay. So, we will write the table of 4. 1 4s are 4, 1 into 4, 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Like this, you have to write the table of 4. 5 only they are. So, you can stop here. So, what are the multiples of 4 here? This one. These are the multiples. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It will go on like that. There are 6 multiples. What should you do? You should write 6 4s are 20. So, it will go on like that. Understood? Any doubt in this? It's clear only, right? Okay. So, you will see some properties. Multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. That means it won't stop. It will go on like that. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. How is it? See, multiples of 5. I have written multiples of 5. So, from where will you start? First one. 1 5 is 5. So, 5. See, multiples of 11. They are also. So, every number is a multiple of itself. So, 5 is a multiple of 5 only. 11 is a multiple of 11. So, every number is a multiple of itself. Okay. Exercise 3.1, second question. You write first 5 multiples of A and B is given here. We will see only A, that is 5. Multiples of 5. How will you do it? What do you have to write? You have to write the multiplication table. That is 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Only 5 multiples I have asked. How many multiples asked here? 5 multiples. So, I have to stop it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. So, I can stop it here. So, what are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. That's it. Okay, children. So, that's it. Factors and multiples. Thank you.